The Village of Light. In a small village nestled between towering mountains, there was an ancient tradition. Every child, upon reaching adulthood, was given a single lantern. This lantern was special. It was said to shine with the light of a person's heart. Some glowed bright, while others flickered dimly. The elders often reminded the villagers, "Your light is not meant for you alone, but to guide others in the dark." Yet over time, people became consumed with making their own lanterns shine the brightest. Some hoarded oil, keeping their light strong, while others struggled in the shadows. Others compared their glow, fearing that if they helped another, their own light would dim. And so, the village grew cold, with each person clinging to their own small flame. Then came Ash, a young boy with a heart too big for his small frame. On the day he received his lantern, he noticed an elderly man struggling with a dim light. Without hesitation, Ash poured some of his own oil into the man's lantern. The moment he did, something remarkable happened. The man's light grew, and instead of Ash's light dimming, it shone even brighter. Word of this spread quickly, but many were skeptical. "If we give too much, we'll be left with nothing," they whispered. But Ash did not stop. He shared his light with a mother who had lost hope, with a child who had never known kindness, with a stranger who had been wandering in the dark. And with each act, his lantern blazed stronger. Then, one winter, a terrible storm descended upon the village, leaving them in complete darkness. The wind howled, and the people huddled in fear. Many of their lanterns had gone out, and those who had once hoarded their oil found that they had no one left to guide them. But through the storm came Ash, his light now a beacon. He carried his lantern high, and as he walked, he lit the lamps of those who had lost their way. The people, realizing the power of lifting others up, began to do the same. One by one, lanterns reignited, and soon the village was no longer shrouded in darkness, but bathed in a warm, golden glow. From that day on, the village changed. People no longer sought to make their own lights the brightest, but instead focused on lifting others. And the more they gave, the more they received. Their village, once cold and divided, became a place of warmth, love, and endless light. For they had finally learned, when you help another shine, the whole world becomes brighter. Together, let's shine on others and uplift humanity across the world.